Hi everybody, today I'm going to make a Lego spinning top with these pieces. We need 8 of these rectangle 8 pieces. But you can use orange and yellow or red and white. And then, but also we need these 2 purple ones, like they have glass, like for this one to connect. And we need this one for our spinning top. And this one should be in the center over here. First, we have to put these purple lights into a square like this. We have to do it like this. See? And it makes a square. And a little square should be in the middle of the center. And here. See? This is the center. The pink square. Then use these two on top of this one. 1, 2. And the another 2 should be on the bottom. See? Then use this one right here. But we have 2 of them. One should be under and one should be on top. Then put this one right over here. This black one. Then put this one on the bottom. And then use this bumpy surface one. And this is how you make a spinning top. And let's see if it can spin for a very long time. Look, it spins. It's gonna topple over. See what I mean? Make it move faster. And it spins like a circle. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.